Hi everyone, in my presentation today I will introduce the definition of two concepts GDP and GDP, and then the comparison. I will compare to solve the difference as well as the similarity between two concepts. The first is the definitions. GNP or Gross National Product means tổng sản phẩm quốc dân, and GDP Gross Domestic Product tổng sản phẩm nội địa. Gross National Product is the value of all goods and service made by a country resident and business, regardless of production location. In other words, it counts the value of all products manufactured by domestic business, regardless of where they are made. And then GDP, this means the sum total of market value of all final goods and services produced within a country over the period of time by its national and foreigner as well. It is one of the primary indicators used to gauge the health of a country's economy. It presents the total dollar value of all goods and services produced over a specific time period. You can think of it as the size of the economy. And now I will move to the comparison between them. What is the similarity and the difference between two concepts? In the similarity, gross domestic product and gross national product both try to measure the market value of all goods and services produced for final sale in an economy. To solve the difference, I will compare two concepts in four terms. The first, location; the second, ownership; the third, application; and the last is calculations. The first, location of GNP is everywhere around the world, but it must be the production of the resident of the country. And about GDP, location is in its boundary. It consists of goods and services produced in a particular country. The ownership of GNP are all citizens of the country, and GDP as everybody in the world, no matter who produced them, national or foreigner. And about the application, GNP measures the level of production of any person or corporation of a country. It also measures the compensation and investment income received by nationals working or investing abroad. However, GDP refers to and measures the domestic levels of production. It measures production inside of a country, regardless of the nationality of the producer. And now I will give you an example to solve the difference between GNP and GDP about the application. For example, the output of a Toyota plant in Kentucky isn't included in GNP, although it's counted in GDP because the revenue from the sale of Toyota car and truck go to Japan, even though the products are made and sold in the United States. It is included in GDP because it adds to the health of the U.S. economy. Similarity, the value from the sale of Ford car go to U.S. GNP, although it's made and sold in United Kingdom. Now I will give you way to calculate GNP and GDP. GDP is the total market value is the total of consumption, government spending, investment, net export of a country, while GNPs have a bigger value than GDP. It is the total of GDP added as with the less factor income from abroad. It means the difference between income earned in foreign country by residents of a country and income earned by foreign nations domestically. That's on my presentation. I hope that after listening my presentation you can have more information and knowledge about GNP and GDP. Thank you so much for your listening and your attention.